So this video is a little bit different to what's on my channel, but I thought I'd show you a personal video I recently shot using just the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Recently, my girlfriend and I made the most of the Australia and New Zealand travel bubble and booked an impromptu trip from Sydney to Queenstown. We consider ourselves very fortunate to have been able to experience international travel given the current circumstances, so thought it would be best to document the experience given the borders could close again at any time. We both have iPhone 12 Pro Maxes and shot everything in 4K 60p, even this introduction, and then edited everything in Adobe Premiere Pro. All shots were handheld, with just a few clips having some additional stabilisation in the post-processing phase. Using the iPhone was a great experience. It allowed us to not worry about travelling with larger camera gear and meant we could be very efficient and opportunistic with our shots. So enjoy the scenery.